Well, hello there and welcome to the homestead.
Hi guys.
This is going to be a busy one.
It is.
It is. We have big ambitions for today.
We have a lot of little projects that need to get finished.
Yeah, we're banging them out.
Yeah.
We're banging them out this weekend. So let's get right into it. Well, the first thing I got to show you is the new piece of equipment that we got. Very important, big for our homestead.
Yeah,
Very big.
it is. It's
Yeah.
going to be huge.
Yeah, and I couldn't wait to get it together and start trying it out. But guys, I bought a Boxblade. It's not the most expensive Boxblade, but I think for our little homestead, it's going to do the trick.
It will.
Once I got it all together, it was just a matter of putting it on the tractor, and I took it over to where we run our chickens.
Our meat birds.
Our meat birds, because that area had rocks and little stumps.
Yeah, it had little sticks that were sticking up from smaller trees. It was hard for me to pull the chicken tractor.
Exactly.
It got caught, and once it got caught, I couldn't lift it high enough to get it over that. So
that was a big reason why we got the Boxblade. That needed to get scraped and flattened out and ready for seed for the new birds. Well, once I got used to the Boxblade, guys, our driveway, it's the rainy season.
It needed some help.
It needed a little bit of TLC.
I think for the most part, for what we did with it earlier in the season,
Paid off.
it did.
Yeah.
There was only a few depressions which still continued
To collect water.
yeah, to hold the water. Like, it was constantly a puddle.
Yeah.
And once it got muddy like that, I couldn't even drive my car down the driveway.
No,
it would just get stuck.
It would get stuck. She doesn't have good tires on it for that kind of activity. But
no, but it's not four-wheel drive either.
No, it's not four-wheel drive. But we preemptively have 2 loads of rock
we
had dropped up at the top of the driveway, and I took the Boxblade and smoothed out all those ruts in preparation, because next weekend Buddy's coming over with a tractor that actually has a bucket on the front, and he's going to help us move some of that rock.
Our girls love to free range. But one thing they love more than free ranging, Grub Terra, is something that our girls love more than actually foraging. Grub Terra is farm raised, produces stronger eggshells, and keeps feathers healthy. This product has 75% more calcium than other products on the market. One shake of this bag and our chickens come running.
You got some projects done.
I did. I did a lot of filming for you while you were doing that.
I appreciate that.
My main projects were getting my raised beds ready.
Yeah.
So I had previously put rabbit manure in there.
Yeah.
And then I needed to go and rake that rabbit manure in and mix up the soil. So after I got that all amended in there, I planted some
Kale?
Yes. The other thing that I planted was mustard greens.
And then you put the covers on.
And then I got the row covers on. So
it's like a little greenhouse.
It is. It's not quite time yet, but these are cold hardy, so I'm hoping that the seeds germinate underneath.
Yeah, they should be fine. They'll start growing when they're ready.
Yeah.
So. something new this week. What'd you get?
I got our order from Grub Terra.
Yeah. To help bring the chickens in.
Yeah. All I have to do is walk and shake the bag, and they come right back to their coop. Good girls. Come on.
Is that working out good for you?
Yeah, it works well. The chickens really like it. I don't know if it's going to make a difference in 1 week, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we went behind the camper and drug out all...
We had a bunch of logs behind our camper. They've been there since we actually put the camper there.
Yep.
Because we cut those trees down and just dropped the logs there.
Yeah, because I didn't have a tractor at that time to move logs around.
And we weren't able to really get them out even after because we put the sheds up and there was no access back there.
Yeah. So I cut a couple small trees and a big stump out of the way.
Yeah.
And was able to get in there with the tractor and get them brought up to the sawmill.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
And those are for a special project for our friends Scott and Susan.
Yes.
Hopefully I can finish up his timber order with those logs.
Mm-hmm.
They should be fine. We should be at good solid beams out of that.
Yeah, because what did he need? A bunch of 4x4s?
6x6s.
Oh, 6x6s. Okay.
So, yeah, I'm very happy with that. So that'll pretty much do it for us for this week, guys.
Yeah.
Banged out a whole bunch of projects.
Yeah, it was a productive weekend.
Yeah, it was a very productive weekend. We got a lot done. Let's see, we got the Boxblade. We got the chicken meat bird area scraped and cleaned, prepped, ready to go.
Yeah, you did some more work on the driveway.
Driveway's prepped and ready for rock.
I got all of my beds prepared up front.
Nice.
Planted in 2 of them.
Yeah, we got all the flashing on all of the windows.
Yep.
And we got some logs moved out.
Yeah.
A lot of work getting done for us for a cold, dreary
Yeah, I mean,
weekend.
it's been sunny off and on.
But it's been nasty.
It's been mostly cloudy
Yeah,
today.
it's been pretty bad. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.